Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to store your Jeep Wrangler hard top. First, assess your available space, whether it's a garage, shed, or outdoor area. Protecting your hard top from the elements is crucial to prevent fading or cracking. We'll cover various methods, from ceiling hoists to specialized carts, ensuring your hard top remains in excellent condition when not in use. Let's get started with the basics of preparation. Overhead hoist systems are excellent for maximizing garage space. They lift your hard top safely above your vehicle, keeping it out of the way. When installing, always confirm your ceiling joists can handle the weight of the hard top, which can be over 100 pounds. Follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely for secure attachment and smooth operation, ensuring a safe and convenient storage solution. If a hoist isn't an option, wheeled carts or stands provide great flexibility. These allow you to easily move your hard top around your garage or even outdoors for cleaning. Many carts feature padded contact points to prevent scratches and scuffs. Some designs also include compartments for storing freedom panels, keeping all components together and protected until you're ready to reinstall them on your Jeep. For outdoor storage, a high-quality, waterproof cover is essential to shield your hard top from sun, rain, and debris. Elevate the hard top slightly off the ground to ensure proper air circulation and prevent moisture from collecting underneath. Regular cleaning and conditioning of seals will also extend its lifespan. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals. Proper care ensures your hard top is ready for adventure whenever you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.